Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Rooted in Nature. It's a very large stamp set. I usually have it in one jewel case, but it does come in two. And it also comes with a die set that you can buy in a bundle, but I chose not to buy the bundle. I don't know why. Sometimes I do things like that and I just shake my head. All right, so I have treated my Whisper White thick card base with Embossing Buddy, which is an anti-stick powder. So oils or static or anything like that is not going to stick to my paper. And then I'm stamping with Versamark ink, which is a clear sticky ink that will stick to the embossing powders that I have chosen to use on this card. So that was gold that I sprinkled on, and then I've sprinkled a little bit of silver. And I am trying to cover a little bit, but leave some of the stamped area alone so that I can do a copper. So this is a tri-colored leaf. So it looks kind of on the natural side. You know what these leaves remind me of? I don't know if you remember, but they used to have jewelry that was gold and it was an actual real leaf. Yeah, that's what this stamp reminds me of. Okay, so I heated from above because it's a thick cardstock and it may warp if I heated it from behind. And you know me, I always do heat from behind. All right, so I have stamped the sentiment which says be strong, be happy, and be you 3 times. So then, and the leaf image as well separately. Now, again, I've done the same order, gold, and then silver, and my third color will be copper. And I don't know about this rule about everybody says you can't mix metallics. That's pahooey, if that's a word. So see, this is Whisper White thin, and I'm heating it from behind. But because the cardstock was Whisper White thick, I went and heated it from the front so it wouldn't warp. But you can see that this is not warping the paper at all. And anyway, I am heat embossing it. So that plastic embossing powder is melting. And now the tedium begins. I've cut out all my leaves. And then I took it even a step further and I cut out all the sentiments. So and I have 3 of them in the tricolor. So I put dimensional on the back. And then I am just placing this gold leaf, or actually this one's copper, and the gold actually. And now I'm sort of mix and matching where I want my silver and gold and my be strong, be happy, and be you pieces. So it is all in the tricolor. And once I'm happy with that placement, had to make sure that they were all level. And just tapping them down. And then I'm folding the card base in half, and it did not warp one bit, so that's good. And I had 1 silver leaf left over, to which I added Tombow mono adhesive, or Stampin' Up! Likes to call it multi-purpose glue, and I'm just adhering it to the back inside. So if I have a little extra embellishment piece, that's most likely what I do. And then to add a little bit more specialness to this card, I decided to use my rhinestones. I haven't used rhinestones in a while. I miss them. So I pulled them out and sort of just sprinkled them around. There was 5 of them that I touched up. Anyway, that's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Hey, Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.